Yes, Mr. Ken.
I'd like to mention item number 7. I have some difficulties, so if it may be listed after 3 weeks.
Yes. On the prayer of Mr. Kiangami, the Leonard PP listed after 3 weeks.
Let you know.
Yes.
I would like to mention item number 14. This is a joint prayer with the respondent. If it may be listed after 2 weeks.
On the prayer made by the Leonard Council for the parties listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
That is about.
Yes.
Also, I'd like to mention item number 13. Also,
Yes.
this letter can come up after 2 weeks. Also.
Okay. On the joint prayer. On the prayer of the Leonard Council for the parties listed after 3 weeks. Okay. Yes, yes.
Private mention.
Uh-huh.
What is the committee because more of the.
You are the counsel for the
Yeah.
appellant, okay? On the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the appellant, listed after 3 weeks. Okay. Yes.
1917.
Yes. You're for the petitioner on the prayer of Mr. MS So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Okay. No lengthy hearing. This will be the last day this court will be sitting. This will be the last day this bench will be sitting.
Then that is my own item 8. We're changing the rules here,
Yes.
so it will take little time.
Uh,
After
3 weeks. Listed after 3 weeks.
interim term.
Yes, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Yes. Any more hearing? No hearing matters will be taken up today.
No.
Yes. From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 19. Yes.
My lord, we are challenging the detention order. Passed by the specific.
Where is that detention order? Let us see first. Page
85. The retribution.
85.
Yes. This is the challenge.
Yes, and then? And then?
And the confirmation of.
Ah,
Page 19. Last page.
yes, yes, you are saying notice only. Head Mr. Pedro. The learned counsel for the petition. So, the petitioner hearing is the uncle of the defendant, Mr. A. Dale. So, the petitioner has filed the present petition. The portion set aside. The order dated. The order number CON/PIT NDPS /37/2024/262 dated 30/12/2024, passed by the Special Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, retaining the detainee under subsection 1 of section 3 of the Prevention of Illicit Traffic in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988 and the confirmation and the confirmation order number CON/PIT NDPS /37/2024/91 dated 19/3/2025, passed by the Chief Secretary to the Government of Nagaland, further detaining the detainee for another period of 3 months with effect from 21/3/2025 till 26/2020. Stop. ये पारा. Issue notice to the respondents returnable after 3 weeks. Yes. Okay. Who is for the unit? Mr. Yamami, your PP or here, senior government advocate? Mr. Yamami, the senior government advocate accepts notice on behalf of the respondent number 1 and, oh yes, 1 and 2. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the state respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however take steps for service of notice upon the state respondents. Oh, you have taken steps. No formal. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however take steps for serving the requisite copies of the petition to the learned senior government advocate within a period of 3 days from today. Insofar as the respondent number 3 and 4 are concerned, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of 3 days from today. Okay. For petition item numbers 1 to 3. Yes. Iamton. Mr. Iamton, the learned counsel for the respondents submits that. Mr. C.T. Daniel, the learned C.T. Daniel, the learned senior counsel leading the case is in this post and therefore seeks adjournment of the case for 3 weeks. Prayer is allowed, Mr. Kohima. Okay. For admission, item number 4. Yes. Yes. Okay. Next week, no division. Okay. Your good name? MS so. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Cynthia, the leading counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. There is allowed, Mr. Reporter. For orders, item number 5.
May I please, my lords?
Yes.
My lords, in this we are challenging in 2024, my lords.
Yes.
Am I audible, my lords?
Oh, well. Any affidavit file? You're the counsel for the?
My lords, we are challenging a demand which has already been settled by the government by a
Let them file affidavit first.
My lords, affidavit may not be required in this matter because similar like demands have already been quashed by this court. my lord.
You are not the right person to say no affidavit may be required. This court desires that affidavit will have to be filed. Mr. Zaden Pul, the learned counsel for the respondent submits that he has not yet received the instructions and therefore 6 for 4 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
My lords, till that time, my lords, my interim prayer may be considered, my lords.
Yes, the interim prayer shall be considered on the next week.
My lords, on this date, my lords, I'm pressing for the interim prayer
What is
now, my
item
lords.
number 6? Yes.
In this matter, Lordship, I am praying
Aliba Ulzakun. So they can go.
On behalf of the petitioner, I am praying for 2 weeks time, Lordship. They have passed some order, Lordship. I do not have proper instruction, Lordship. I could not go through the order or select the order, Lordship. So I pray for 2 weeks time.
From the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, listed up to 3 weeks.
It's your will.
For hearing item number 92. Yes, Mr. Iralu. So. The affidavit will not be necessary from yes, sir, from the government side. So whether this rules for administration Fifth Amendment Act 2025, whether this redresses the grievances raised by the petitioner. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Yes.
And the teams, we have to do a lot. Because now we are treated as a bit of the report, but we have better even the green line. So we've got all that. I think all those will come in the picture about this manpower, and we are working on it. But still then, time will be sufficient will be conducted to the estate.
Yes, Mr. Yalu.
They have a problem with that for the district customary court, but as far as the village court and district subordinate customary court is concerned, it is more or less. The present person will man the office. Yes, yes. So, in the meantime, they may take steps, and then we can fix it for here after say 4 weeks. In the meantime, the government can do anything because all the powers are in their hands. There is nothing to stop them. Because now the matter has been pending for 4 years.
Correct. Okay, we give them 6 weeks at least.
6 weeks.
Because actually, like to constitute this district customary courts as per this Fifth Amendment Act, I think they may require some time for constitution.
Because of that, we cannot keep on.
Of course, yes. But as you have submitted that by actually like publishing this Fifth Amendment Act, it will to some extent assist the court in like giving a finality to the present petition.
Yes.
So let us give them sufficient time. MT, what is the time required for?
6 weeks will be granted.
For constitution of
District customary court as well as subordinated.
district customary courts
Subordinate.
for the subordinate district customary courts. Correct. This two institution. District district customary courts and subordinate
Subordinate.
district customary
Yeah.
courts.
The lordship, the main is district customary court, because you see the rule.
Rule 42. Ah, okay, Mr. Iralu. The same office bearers, I think the same, the same members will man this subordinate district customary court,
Yes.
but I think they need to do some sizing and all this.
Yes.
So allow them some time, at least, okay. Okay. Miss, heard Mr. Your, in which case you are the counsel? Mr. Iralu,
Number 9.
item number 9,
10.
item number 9 and 10, only 9, only 10.
Yes.
Okay,
10, 11, sorry.
10, 11.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Iralu, the learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. L. Iralu, learned counsel for the petitioner in Civil Revision 6/2021 and Civil Revision 16/2024. Mr.
Nine.
Yes, Mr. Limawabang, the learned counsel for the petitioner in Civil Revision 5/2023, na? 2020, and who is this WPC? And Mr. Medoviro, the learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC 283/2024.
I'm for respondent number 2. in
Also heard,
Item number.
just wait, also heard Mr. Also heard Mr. Im Tim Sung, the learned additional AG for the state respondents, for the state respondents. And Mr. T. Keze, a learned counsel for the respondents
Two,
in
Item number 10 and.
respondent number 2 in
6.
Civil Revision 5, correct? Civil Revision 6/2021. And only that,
Yes.
6/2021. Okay. Mr. Im Sung, the learned counsel, the learned additional AG has placed the copy of the rules for administration of justice and police in Nagaland within bracket Fifth Amendment Act 2025 and submits that. In view of the amendment made to the rules for administration of justice and police in Nagaland, the proper constitution of the customary courts and the subordinate district customary courts may require some time. And accordingly, 6 weeks time to carry out the necessary exercises for constituting the customary court as well as the subordinate district customary court. The learned counsel for the petitioner, for the petitioners, have no objection to the time sought by the learned additional advocate general. In that way of the matter, list the case after 6 weeks. List the case after 6 weeks. 6 weeks. On 25/6/2025. The copy of the rules for administration of justice and police Act 2025, which is placed before this court, shall be part of the record. Yes,
Where's the letter for doing on 20? Or doing? So that.
what was that order?
And that can be expedited.
Okay, last line. An endeavor shall be made to hear and dispose the case on the next returnable date. Stop. The interim order passed in WPC 283/2024 shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay. Yes, next. Okay, okay.